the root we have calculated, which is alpha, alpha square and alpha to the power 4. Okay. Alpha, alpha square and alpha to the power 4. So considering the degree of m equals to 3, from this possible polynomials, we have considered our generator polynomial equation as x cube plus x plus 1, and we have computed the roots of this equation, and we have got this alpha, alpha square and alpha to the power 4, right? If I consider the generator polynomial as x cube plus x square plus 1, the root will be alpha to the power cube, alpha to the power 5, alpha to the power 6. Okay. If I consider our generator polynomial as 1 plus x, or you can say x cube, our root will be only 1. If I consider our generator polynomial as x cube plus 1, our root will be 0. Okay. So for the cyclic code, C cyclic 7,4 in GF2 to the power 3, that means Galois field of 8 element, the possible elements, or you can say the possible roots, 0, 1, alpha, alpha square, alpha to the power 4, alpha cube, alpha to the power 5 and alpha to the power 6. So these are the possible roots of GF2 to the power 3 for cyclic code 7,4. Okay. Now we are going to the second PDF. This, as I have told you, that example GF8, that means 2 to the power 3, that means the degree m equals to 3. This is the conjugacy class. That means you can say the possible, when the degree is 3, the possible polynomial equation is x plus 1, x cube plus x plus 1, x cube plus x square plus 1. These are the possible polynomial, and these are the corresponding roots of this polynomial equation. You can see here, when the degree is m equals to 3, and we are considering x cube plus 1. So by considering x cube as 1 plus x, that means actually we are replacing it from the syndrome results, that x cube equals to 1 plus x. So this has become x. The root is 0. If alpha is our root and alpha equals to 0, then this equation is 0. So that's why x, when x is a equation, x is a polynomial equation, its root is 0. So that is basically written here. When the root is 0, the polynomial, the minimal polynomial is x. Minimal polynomial is x. When the root is 1, from this, when the root is 1, the minimal polynomial is, that means the polynomial equation, that means from which polynomial equation we are getting root equals to 1. So that is x plus 1. So that is basically written here. For 1, this is x plus 1. Again, from x cube plus x plus 1, that means this possible polynomial equation, considering the degree as 3, the root is alpha plus alpha square and alpha to the power 4. Okay, so that's why this is written that when the root is alpha square and alpha to the power 4, so this is the polynomial equation. And as same as when I'm considering x cube x square plus 1, then the roots alpha cube, alpha to the power 5 and alpha to the power 6. Okay. So what is the significance? So from these possible polynomials, we are considering 1 plus x cube as our generator polynomials in case of cyclic code. And we are saying that if these are the roots of the generator polynomial, that is alpha square and alpha to the power 4, this will be also the root of the generated code polynomials when we multiply this x cube plus x plus 1 with the message polynomial. Okay, so the code polynomial also possesses the same root alpha square and alpha to the power 4. And when we're receiving at our receiver a different code or code polynomials, if that received code polynomials also possesses alpha square and alpha to the power 4, then the received code is right or error free. Okay. Okay. So this is the concept, right? Now, the thing is that multiplying all the minimal polynomials of the non-zero element of GF8 so the non-zero element considering degree 3, which are the non-zero element? This is for root 1, this is for root 0. So the non-zero element is 1 plus x cube plus x square plus 1, x cube plus x plus 1. Okay. So by doing this, we have got x to the power 7 plus 1. Okay. That means this results x plus 1 x cube plus x plus 1 x cube plus x square plus 1. Okay, when we multiply this will become x to the power 7 plus 1, or we can say that x plus 1 x cube plus x plus 1 x cube plus x square plus 1, these are the factors of, or you can say the factor polynomial of x to the power 7 plus 1. Right, this is actually happened in the previous note, that when we were considered our appendix B, in that appendix B, that formula I've told you to remember that x to the power 2 to the power m, right? The x to the power 2 to the power m minus 1 plus 1. So that was the formula. So if I go to this, this is, that means here for 1 plus x is cube. So this is the factor of x to the power 2 to the power 3 because the degree is 3. So m equals to 3. So x 2 to the power m minus 1. So this is x to the power 7 plus 1. Okay. So this is the one factor, one of the factors of x to the power 7 plus 1. The rest factors, x plus 1, x cube plus x plus 1, x cube plus x square plus 1. So this is a multiplication of the factors. So multiplication of the minimal polynomials. Right? Okay. So I think you have understood that what is the significance of this table, and x plus 1, and these are the roots. Okay. Now I will show you that what is the concept of the roots for detecting and correcting the received code polynomials. Okay.